Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Topic is matrices and determinants. Now here first one, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0 and det of a minus x c b minus x a c minus x is equal to 0, then x is equal to. Okay, now here easiest method, put a is equal to 1, put a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, c value minus 1. Okay, now 1 plus 0 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, now here same values are substitute this one. Now det of a value 1, 1 minus x, now c value minus 1 and b value is 0. Okay, now c value minus 1. Okay, now b value 0, 0 minus x minus x. Okay, now a value is 1 and b value 0 and a value is 1 and c value minus 1 minus x minus common 1 plus x is equal to 0. Okay, now det of this value, now 1 minus x into 1 minus x into x into 1 plus x into 1 plus x minus 1 plus 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 plus x minus 0 minus 0 is equal to 1. Okay, now 1 minus x into, now x plus x square minus 1 plus 1 plus x is equal to 0. Okay, now here multiply with 1. Now x plus x square minus 1 minus x square minus x cube plus x plus 1 plus x is equal to 0. Okay, now plus x square minus x square plus 1 and minus 1. Now x plus x plus x, 3x minus x cube, 3x minus x cube equal to 0. Okay, now x common, 3 minus x square equal to 0. Now x equal to 0 or x square equal to 3. Now x is equal to plus or minus root 3. X equal to plus or minus root 3. Okay, now by verification, now here x value is 0. Now a value, option 4 is the correct one, plus or minus square root of 3 by 2 and also a value 1, b value 0, 1 plus 0. Now c value minus 1 whole square means plus 1. Now is equal to plus or minus 3 by 2 into 2. 2 to cancel is equal to plus or minus root 3. Now option 4 is the correct one. Option 4 is the correct one. Next one, a value 2141, b 3423 and c is equal to 3 minus 4 minus 2 3. Then trace of a plus trace of abc by 2, trace of a into bc whole square by 4, trace of a into bc whole cube by 8 plus up to so on infinity is equal to. Okay, now here bc square bc cube is there. Now first to find bc value. Now bc is equal to b into c. Now 3 4 2, 3 into 3 minus 4 minus 2, 3. Okay, now multiply now 9 minus 8, 1. Okay, minus 12 plus 12, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. Now minus 8 plus 9, 1. Its value is equal to identity matrix I. BC value is I. Now here given expansion value. Now trace of A plus trace of A by 2 plus trace of I square value is I, A by 4 plus trace of A by 8 plus up to so on infinity. Trace of Ka is equal to trace of Ka is equal to K into trace of A. K into trace of A. Now trace of A by 2. 1 by 2 into trace of A. 1 by 2 square into trace of A. 1 by 2 cube into trace of A. Now trace of A 1 by 2 into plus 1 by 2 into trace of A plus 1 by 2 square into trace of A plus 1 by 2 cube into trace of A plus up to so on infinity. Okay, now everything trace of A is common. Now trace of A is common. 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square 1 by 2 cube plus up to so on infinity. Okay, now this one are in GP. In GP, S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R. Okay, this value is equal to trace of A into one by 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 means 2 into trace of A. 2 into trace of A. Now A value is equal to 2141. Now trace of A means sum of the all principal diagonal elements. Now here 2 plus 1. Here trace of A means sum of the all principal diagonal elements. 2 plus 1, 3. Now trace of A is equal to 3. Trace of A is equal to 3. Now 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Therefore total expansion value is 6. Option 1 is the correct one. Next one, if det of lambda square plus 3 lambda, lambda minus 1, lambda plus 3, lambda plus 1, 2 minus lambda, lambda minus 4, lambda minus 3, lambda plus 4, 3 lambda is equal to p into lambda power 4 q plus q into lambda cube plus r into lambda square plus s into lambda plus t is equal plus t. Then t is equal to. Okay, now lambda is equal to 0. Lambda equal to 0 means now det of 0 plus 0 0 minus 1 3. Next 1 2 minus 4 minus 3 4 0 is equal to lambda value 0, this value 0, here this one 0, this one 0, this one 0 is equal to t. Okay, now det of this value 1 into 0 minus 12 plus 3 into 4 plus 6 plus 3 into is equal to small t. Okay, now minus 12 plus 30 is equal to small t. Now t is equal to 18. Therefore, option 3 is the correct one.